Ever looked up at the night sky and felt a pang of longing? Not just for adventure, but for a piece of that boundless frontier? For centuries, space was the exclusive domain of governments and billionaires. But what if I told you that you, yes you, could own a piece of the cosmos? Not a physical asteroid, yet, but a share in the very companies that are making humanity's wildest dreams of interstellar travel a reality. We're not talking about some far-fetched sci-fi movie here. We're talking about tangible, groundbreaking advancements happening right now. Companies are designing, building, and launching rockets, developing advanced propulsion systems, and even planning for off-world mining and colonization. The space industry is no longer a niche market, it's a rapidly expanding frontier, poised for explosive growth. And with growth comes opportunity, the opportunity to invest and potentially reap significant returns. But how exactly do you navigate this exciting, yet often complex, new investment landscape? How do you go from gazing at the stars to owning a stake in the vehicles that will take us there? That's precisely what we're going to explore today: how to sell spaceship investment shares. Now, before you imagine setting up a booth at a galactic trade fair, let's clarify. We're talking about investing in publicly traded companies that are at the forefront of space exploration and commercialization. Think beyond just rocket launches. We're looking at companies involved in satellite technology, space tourism, asteroid mining, and even the infrastructure that will support a future space economy. The first step is research, and lots of it. Just like any other investment, you need to understand the companies you're considering. Look for established players with a proven track record, but also keep an eye on innovative startups with disruptive technologies. What are their long-term goals? Do they have solid funding? Who are their key partners and customers? Pay attention to their financial health, their leadership team, and their competitive advantages. The space industry is highly specialized, so understanding the specific niches each company occupies is crucial. Are they focused on satellite broadband, resupplying the ISS, or developing reusable launch vehicles? Next, consider the various avenues for investment. You can invest directly in individual stocks of publicly traded space companies. Alternatively, if you prefer a more diversified approach, consider exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that focus specifically on the aerospace and defense sector, or even those with a broader emphasis on technological innovation that includes space-related companies. These ETFs offer exposure to a basket of companies, spreading your risk. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, remember that investing in a nascent, high-growth industry like space comes with inherent risks. Volatility can be high, and timelines for profitability can be long. It's crucial to align your investment strategy with your personal risk tolerance and financial goals. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and consider a long-term perspective. The journey to the stars won't happen overnight, and neither will the full realization of these investments. But for those with patience and a belief in humanity's extraterrestrial future, the potential rewards could be truly astronomical. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.